ARIVA explicitly has become one of the most moving and beneficial computerized resources of this fall. The advancement group most certainly calls it a token for travelers amazingly. In this video, we mull over various market sentiments on ARIVA exchanging points of view and investigate different ARIVA long-haul cost figures. How does ARIVA work, which is genuinely huge? ARIVA generally is a BEP20 genuinely token produced utilizing Binance Chain Network. The digital money is centered around, going to be more exact, on neighborhood and sort of global the travel industry in an essentially significant manner. ARIVA is a venture that carries cryptographic money nearer to this present reality, or so they thought. Zeroing in on the travel industry, ARIVA truly offers voyagers a remarkable encounter of going all over the planet by furnishing a simple method for paying with digital money. The especially objective of the ARIVA group is to make a worldwide travel network that would really permit sightseers both to spend digital currency, for instance, on booking convenience and to get rewards. The last option is intended for the people who truly choose to share their movement encounters with others. The ARIVA blockchain biological system comprises of 3 parts, every one of them fundamentally are being developed at the hour of compassing. ARIVA.world. It especially is an entrance where crypto wanderers can track down an appropriate deal and pay for it. All that will especially be accessible on the announcement board. Room reservations, vehicle rental administrations, guides for employing, and keepsakes for requesting. ARIVA.finance. Neighborliness organizations can coordinate ARIVA.finance into their sites or applications, offering guests exchanges with negligible charges. With the assistance of the help, clients can make installments as simple as ABC, filter the QR code, and the assets will be credited to the dealer immediately, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. ARIVA.club. It is a genuinely informal organization where migrants can share their movement encounters and leave surveys about foundations. By sharing their impressions and content, notes, photographs, or recordings, travelers will actually want to guarantee rewards. ARIVA Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of ARIVA costs expected in 2022, the base expense of ARIVA will be $0.00022865. The genuinely greatest level that the ARIVA cost can in a real sense reach certainly is $0.00026767. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.00023795, which is genuinely huge. ARIVA price forecast for May 2022, which is very critical. In view of the value vacillations of ARIVA toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ARIVA pace of $0.00019541 in March, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Its sort of least and greatest costs can especially be anticipated at $0.00017680 and at $0.00020099 individually. June 2022. ARIVA price forecast, which is very huge. Digital money specialists in a real sense are prepared to declare their conjecture for the ARIVA cost in April 2022, which is very critical. The fundamentally least exchanging cost could basically be $0.00019578, while the greatest could reach $0.00021076 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of ARIVA may be around $0.00020323 in an unpretentious manner. ARIVA price forecast for July 2022. Crypto examiners have actually looked at the value vacillations of ARIVA in 2022 and in earlier years, so the very normal ARIVA rate they anticipate could in a real sense be around $0.00020932 in May, in a truly significant way. It can drop to $0.00020188 as a sort of least. The greatest worth could explicitly be $0.00021889. It explicitly is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.00020420 in June 2022. ARIVA price forecast for September 2022 in an exceptionally large manner. Crypto specialists generally have dissected ARIVA costs in 2022, so they fundamentally are prepared to, in a real sense, give their assessed exchanging normal to July $0.00022205, which generally is genuinely critical. The most reduced and top ARV rates could sort of be $0.00021460 and $0.00023580. October 2022. ARIVA price forecast, which certainly is very huge. Crypto investigators generally expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the ARV cost will be around $0.00022871. In August, the ARIVA cost might drop to at least $0.00021941. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.00024691 in August 2022. ARIVA price forecast for November 2022. Having examined ARIVA costs, cryptographic money specialists for the most part expect that the ARV rate could arrive at a limit of $0.00025834 in September 2022. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $0.00022398. For September, the estimated kind of normal of ARIVA is almost $0.00023328, amazingly. December 2022. ARIVA price forecast. Around mid-2022, the ARIVA cost will really be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.00023795, which is genuinely huge. Crypto examiners expect that in October 2022, the ARV cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $0.00022865 and $0.00026767. ARIVA price prediction 2023, or so they thought. After the investigation of the costs of ARIVA in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of ARIVA will be around $0.00034986 in a by and large significant manner. The really most extreme expected ARV cost might be around $0.00041098 incredibly. Overall, the exchanging cost could in a real sense be $0.00035937 in 2023, which is very critical. ARIVA price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of ARIVA, in 2024, ARV essentially is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs. About $0.00507881 and $0.00061627, individually. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.00052218. ARIVA price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of ARIVA and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the sort of least ARV cost could drop to $0.00075259, while its most extreme can in every practical sense reach $0.00088451. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $0.00077348 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Why is the price of ARV rising? Nobody generally has an all-inclusive assessment on the positive or negative eventual fate of ARV's costs developments in a significant manner. ARIVA's development potential relies upon different elements. Declarations, new innovative arrangements acquainted with the undertaking, the crypto market opinions as a rule, legitimate status, and so on in a genuinely significant way. If it's not too much trouble, remember that prior to putting resources into cryptographic forms of money, one ought to especially follow the DIRE approach, which generally is very critical. Is ARIVA a good investment? Later on, ARV truly is supposed to show a kind of certain pattern, and investigators from Wallet Investor and Trading Beasts truly consider that this digital money may fundamentally turn into a wise speculation thought. Notwithstanding, it's actually quite important that the digital money market is unusual, or so they thought. Make an effort not to act over the top with every one of the costs in a